Good morning from South Central Kansas. I'm back on the old video running down a gravel road here, and I wanted to talk to you about a conversation I had yesterday with a good friend of mine, and it was about whether a piece of land would pay or not. And then his argument is he couldn't afford the piece of land because it didn't pay for itself. And I would argue that that's wrong thinking. Now, let's look at it from this point of view. If you start a 401k and you put some money in your 401k, wouldn't you feel kind of foolish saying, well, that 401k doesn't sustain me. I can't retire on it. I've only put money in it for a year, and look, I can't retire on it. Well, the same thing goes with land. I mean, land is an investment. You have to buy it. You have to hold it. You have to maintain it, manage it. And you have to put the money into the land. However, just like a 401k, it will sustain you when it matures later when you're needing the investment, but it offers more things that a 401k doesn't. There are a lot of tax benefits in owning land. You have dividend payments from land, from the crops that come off of it, cattle or hay or whatever you're using. You have yearly appreciation, which 1.5–2% is pretty normal, but right now we're looking at 5 to 10% in some cases. Land is able to be zoned and even further increase its value. And the one thing that we don't consider is the sustainability of land. You can't eat a 401k, and it's not going to put a roof over your head. And you can't, I suppose you could burn it and keep yourself warm, but land will sustain you. It'll provide food, shelter, and clothing. It is a great investment, and everybody should consider it. The reason why I'm talking to you about this is I hear that argument so many times that land does not pay for itself, and I'm saying that is not the right argument. That is a negative point of view when it comes to making the purchase. Many times I've had somebody tell me, I can't tell you how many times somebody's told me, I could have bought that for so many dollars an acre, and we're standing there looking at it, and it's twice or 3 times that amount in a fairly short amount of time. I, too, have made that mistake. Anyway, that's my lesson for today. Do the math, think positive, and invest in land. It's the right thing to do. And as always, I want you to have a blessed day.